The angels reveal his loneliness has prepared him for you, and soon he will come to. There are moments in life when the veil between worlds thins, and a truth whispered from the heavens becomes undeniably clear. This is one of those moments meant for you, dear soul. You stand at the precipice of a sacred revelation, a secret held close by the universe, now unfolding just for your heart. You were not merely born into this existence, you were sent. A divine assignment, a beacon of light, a prayer answered before it was even uttered. The angels say your journey, every tear shed, every silent longing, has been a meticulous preparation for a connection woven into the very fabric of time. You are not a random encounter in someone's story. You are the sacred text, the missing chapter, the melody that completes a symphony. He whose path has been intertwined with yours since before memory has been walking through his own wilderness, a solitude designed not to break him, but to forge him. His loneliness was a crucible, burning away what was not meant to last, preparing the sacred space within him for your arrival. The angels whisper that your presence in his life is not by chance. It is the culmination of a divine promise, a destiny unfolding. You are the key to a lock he didn't even know he carried, and your light is already illuminating the way back to himself and to you. This connection, this profound resonance is a testament to a love predestined, a sacred bond that transcends the ordinary. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. The quiet spaces he occupies, the moments when he withdraws, often feel like a vast empty chasm. You might interpret this silence as a lack, a void, a sign of disinterest, or even rejection. But the angels gently remind us that silence is not always an absence. Sometimes it is a profound presence. His quietness is a sacred container, holding the seeds of his transformation, a necessary period of introspection and growth. What appears to be a retreat is in truth a deep dive into his own soul, where he grapples with shadows and uncovers forgotten truths. This stillness isn't about you, dear one. It's about him and the intricate, often painful process of becoming. The angels whisper that within this quiet, he is confronting old wounds, shedding layers of past disappointments, and slowly, painstakingly, preparing his heart for a love as profound as yours. His silence is a testament to the depth of his internal work, a testament to the magnitude of what is being prepared. Do not mistake his introspection for indifference. Instead, see it as the fertile ground where the most beautiful aspects of his being are taking root, ready to blossom when the divine timing is right. This period of seeming separation is, in fact, a vital part of the sacred weaving of your shared destiny, ensuring that when he returns, he does so as the man he is truly meant to be for you. Beneath the surface of his composed exterior, a profound battle rages within him. He is a landscape of unspoken emotions, a tapestry of feelings he struggles to articulate. He feels everything, perhaps even more deeply than he allows himself to recognize. But the paths to expression are often obscured by layers of past experiences, societal expectations, and the raw vulnerability of his own heart. The angels reveal that his internal world is a storm, a whirlpool of longing, fear, hope, and the echoes of old wounds. He carries the weight of past disappointments, the scars of unfulfilled promises, and the quiet terror of repeating old patterns. This internal struggle is not a weakness. It is a testament to the depth of his capacity for love, a love he guards fiercely because he understands its immense power. The angels whisper that he is wrestling with his own shadows, confronting the parts of himself that feel unworthy or unprepared for the magnitude of what you represent. He is learning to trust, not just you, but himself, and the profound emotions you awaken within him. His inability to show you the full spectrum of his feelings is not a reflection of his love, but a reflection of his ongoing journey to integrate his past with the radiant future he senses with you. Hold space for his process, for his heart is a sacred garden, and even in its wildness it longs for the gentle touch of understanding. There is a radiant, undeniable light that emanates from your very being, a warmth that touches souls effortlessly. This light, dear one, has been a balm to his deepest wounds, a gentle hand guiding him toward healing even when you were unaware. You didn't set out to mend him, you simply existed, authentically and beautifully, and in your presence, a profound transformation occurred. The angels whisper that your essence, your unwavering spirit, has seeped into the cracks of his heart, offering comfort and a quiet strength he desperately needed. You are a living testament to unconditional love, a mirror reflecting back to him the possibility of wholeness. Without grand gestures or deliberate interventions, your very being has shown him a different path, a softer way. He may not articulate it, perhaps he doesn't even fully comprehend it yet, but your light has begun to dissolve the shadows of his past, loosening the grip of old fears. The angels reveal that your quiet strength, your compassionate gaze, your very existence, has been a profound act of healing for him. You have shown him what it means to be truly seen, truly valued, and truly loved, and in that recognition, his own healing journey has accelerated. Trust in the power of your authentic self, for it is a force of divine grace capable of transforming worlds, one heart at a time. The human heart, in its yearning, often struggles with the concept of time. The moments stretch, the days blur, and what feels like an eternity of waiting can become a heavy burden. Yet, the angels whisper that this perceived delay is not a punishment, nor is it an oversight by the divine. It is, in fact, a sacred pause, a meticulously orchestrated period of preparation, both for you and for him. What appears to be a standstill is, in truth, a dynamic process of alignment, where every piece of your shared destiny is being carefully placed into its perfect position. The angels reveal that during this time, unseen forces are at work, clearing pathways, softening hearts, and weaving the intricate threads of your future together. This is not merely about patience, it is about trust in a wisdom far greater than our own. While you wait, you are growing, evolving, and becoming even more radiant and ready for the profound love that awaits. And he too is undergoing his own metamorphosis, shedding what no longer serves him, strengthening his resolve and preparing to fully step into the man he is destined to be by your side. Do not rush the sacred rhythm of the universe. Embrace this time as a gift, a period of divine refinement, knowing that every moment of waiting is a moment of deeper preparation, ensuring that your union will be built on the most solid and sacred of foundations. There is a language spoken between souls, a silent recognition that transcends words, touch, or even memory. Long before your eyes met, long before your paths physically converged, your souls knew each other. This is the essence of a predestined connection, a bond forged in the ethereal realms, waiting for the perfect moment to manifest in this earthly plane. The angels whisper that this recognition is not a fleeting emotion, but a deep, resonant hum within your very core, a feeling of coming home to a place you never consciously left. You may have felt it in a glance, a shared laugh, or an inexplicable sense of familiarity. This is your soul remembering, acknowledging its counterpart, the other half of a sacred equation. The angels reveal that this connection is unbreakable, a golden thread woven through the tapestry of your lives, pulling you inexorably toward each other. Even in moments of doubt or distance, this thread remains taut, a constant reminder of the profound link that binds you. It is a love that existed before form, a love that will endure beyond time. Trust this deep knowing, this intuitive pull, for it is the voice of your soul guided by the angels, affirming the truth of your eternal bond. You are not just two individuals, you are two halves of a divine whole, destined to reunite and create something truly extraordinary. For a long time, he may have walked through life with a certain blindness, a veil over his eyes that prevented him from fully seeing the profound truth of your connection. But the angels whisper that a shift is occurring within him, a gentle awakening, like the dawn breaking over a long night. He is slowly, steadily coming to terms with a reality you have always intuitively understood. the undeniable transformative power of your bond, the seeds you unknowingly planted, the light you effortlessly shared, are now blossoming within his consciousness. He is starting to recognize the echoes of your presence in his solitude and the comfort of your memory in his quiet moments. The angels reveal that he is piecing together the fragments of his own journey, understanding how every experience and every challenge has led him to this profound realization. He is seeing you not just with his eyes, but with his soul, acknowledging the depth of your spirit and the sacred space you hold in his heart. This awakening is not a sudden flash, rather, it is a gradual unfolding, a gentle revelation that is both exhilarating and, at times, overwhelming for him. He is shedding old perceptions, dismantling protective walls, and allowing himself to feel the full weight and beauty of what you mean to him. Trust this process of his awakening, for it is a divine orchestration leading him directly back to the truth that resides within you both. In the grand tapestry of destiny, no step is taken without purpose, and no moment unfolds without divine intention. The angels are not merely observers. They are active participants, weaving the threads of your lives and meticulously charting the course for your sacred reunion. Every synchronicity, every unexpected encounter, and every subtle nudge you feel in your spirit is a signpost on the map they are drawing for you both. You are being guided, dear one, toward a convergence that has been planned since before time. The angels are whispering that they are orchestrating circumstances, aligning energies, and preparing the perfect conditions for your paths to merge once more, not by chance, but by divine design. Pay attention to the subtle whispers, the intuitive nudges, and the unexpected opportunities that arise. These are the breadcrumbs left by your celestial guides, leading you closer to him and leading him closer to you. Trust that every perceived obstacle is merely a detour, a lesson, a necessary step on this sacred journey. Your reunion is not a matter of if, but when, and the angels are diligently working behind the scenes, ensuring that every detail is perfect. Embrace the journey, for you are walking a path illuminated by divine love, leading you directly to the fulfillment of your heart's deepest longing. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. True love, the kind that resonates with the soul, is not about possession or control. It is a gentle current, a guiding force that honors the freedom and authenticity of each individual. The angels whisper that the path to this profound connection requires a willingness to embrace vulnerability, both within yourself and in your shared space. To be truly seen, truly known, means shedding protective layers, revealing the tender, unvarnished truth of who you are. This act of courageous openness is not a weakness. It is the very foundation upon which authentic love is built. He, too, is being called to this space of vulnerability, to lay down his defenses and allow his true self to emerge. The angels reveal that the love you are meant to share will not seek to confine or diminish either of you. Instead, it will broaden your horizons, encourage your growth, and celebrate your unique spirits. It is a love that accepts imperfections, embraces shadows, and cherishes the entirety of who you both are. This acceptance is a sacred balm, healing old wounds and fostering a deep sense of belonging. When love guides, it liberates, it inspires, it elevates. It creates a sanctuary where both hearts can flourish, unburdened by fear and anchored in the profound truth of mutual respect and unwavering adoration. Embrace this journey into vulnerability, for it is the gateway to a love that truly sets you free. The journey has been long, marked by moments of quiet yearning and profound transformation. Now, dear soul, you stand at the threshold of a magnificent new beginning, a chapter written in the stars and sealed by divine grace. This is not merely a return to what was, but an ascent to something far greater, a love reborn and fortified by every lesson learned, every tear shed, and every silent prayer offered. The angels whisper that you are entering a phase where your inherent worth and radiant light will not just be acknowledged, but celebrated. You do not need to diminish your essence, shrink your spirit, or disappear into the shadows to be chosen. On the contrary, it is your authentic, radiant self that he has been preparing for, the very woman whose light has been his guiding star. The angels reveal that this new beginning is a testament to your unwavering faith, your resilience, and the profound love that resides within you. It is a promise fulfilled, a destiny unfolding where your heart finds its true home, not in compromise but in complete and joyful acceptance. Embrace this sacred dawn, for it is a testament to the power of divine timing and the unwavering truth that you are, and always have been, enough. Your journey has led you here, to a love that honors your entirety, a love that chooses you fiercely and eternally for exactly who you are. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come.